Hey guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Michael Steele and I'm actually a gravity trainer for Total Gym Global. Today I want to show you some exercises on the Total Gym Power Tower. Now you can do this on any model Total Gym that you have, but I'm actually using the Power Tower today. And it's just a little sequence of exercises that I can show you to develop how you can progress your workout. So if you're looking for some new ideas or some exercises that you're familiar with and you think, oh, how can I make this harder or how can I get more out of it? If you're like me, I work out about 3 times a week on Total Gym, so I'm always trying to figure out how can I get more out of my workout. So on this series, we're going to be facing the tower, and we call that in a facing seated or kneeling backwards. I'm going to knuckle down, anchor my glide board so it doesn't move, and I'm going to choose a kneeling position. So just get comfortable. If you wanted to sit, you can do this seated, and if you want to go high kneeling, you can go high kneeling, but we'll show you progressions. Start really easily. Start with some simple short lever movements here, where you're bending the elbow, so shortening the lever, pull it in. I like to do about 8 to 10 repetitions and try to get a nice steady pace so you've got solid resistance the whole way through the movement. From a short lever here, you can then progress it to a long lever, and now we're working the upper back and the posterior shoulders. You should feel your abs and back working as well, which is supporting. But then, if you haven't tried it before, start to, as the cables go forward, lean forward to get a stretch, and then use your lower back and do a little bit of extension here as you lift up. So you should feel a little progression in the intensity, and your heart rate will start to rise. So do about 8 to 10 of those, and then let's go back to that short lever, and as we stay, we're going to stay upright here, and now we're going to focus on our upper back, between our shoulder blades, our rhomboids, our trapezius, our triceps a little bit. How many reps did I say? About 8 to 10, yeah, just keep going. Now, go back to a long lever, but this is going to be drastically different, alright? So this time we're going to stretch forward, and with a long lever, lift one arm up, and then lean forward, and then the other. So you'll see now, we're focusing on upper back and our shoulder, but we're also using a little bit of flexion, and utilizing our lower back as well. So this is a nice strong movement that follows on that progression of doing the short lever with the high row, now to a long lever with sort of shoulder flexion. And no prizes for guessing how many reps? About 8 to 10. But for the tough ones, you can count 8 to 10 as one set being right arm and then left arm. And then when you finish that, you can come back in and then go to a short lever. So now we're going to work on the front of the arms. We've got our biceps working here. A little tip, try to keep your elbows slightly lifted rather than in at your sides. Let the arms fully length out. Now, how about we go high and then we rotate low. So pull up high onto the knees, rotate low. Lift up high, duck down low. Stay up high. Now I'm going to get you to do 4 more to finish a set, and then on the last one I need you to stay up, alright? So that's where our little challenge is going to be at the end. 2 more, then the last one stay up, and then just control the lowering and the lift. The lower and the lift. And if you do 8 to 10 of these, when you finish in the last one, sit back down, start the whole series again.